Hello guys. Today my cousin uh, gave me back this challenge lock. He gave it to me a while back. I gave it back to him, but now I have it to pick it on camera. This is quite a challenging lock. It's a key knob cylinder in a housing. I just put it in this housing to just be easier. But look at this key. Oh my freaking god. Do you see that? But surprisingly, the lock works with this key. There we go. It turns. There we go. It works. Just be careful to not break it. My god. There's some nail polish on it. I played that on him with my girlfriend. It was funny to see his face when I gave it the lock back to him. So let's see if we can get it picked. We'll move the camera so. Damn. Here we go. So there is a lot of evilness in this lock. All chambers, all the upper chambers and all the chambers in the plug are threaded and the pin are sharp. Believe me, when I say sharp, I say sharp. They are just a pain. Didn't been too bad this time, so I will try to get it because it's quite hard to get this lock apart. Sorry for the loud noise of the vise falling on the floor. So, crap. Where I put? Let me get my Helen keys. I have them. So I will try to take it apart. So I will get the top off. Since it's the only way to have it apart. Oh, powerful springs. I just made a mess. So this one was in the third chamber. The spring, that doesn't matter, they are just crushed up springs, so they are not good anyway. So I remember that this one was in pin 1 chamber, and this one was there. It was, I think, like this. The master wafer goes on that one, I'm sure. So I will just dump the upper pins. I will just take the C-clip off to get the plug out. Maybe with 2 picks would be easier. doesn't want. So I will do it by the top. So pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. So we had some master wafer in there. Maybe that he didn't have a key pin long enough, and chamber number 3 is oversized. But look at those pins. All of the lock was threaded. This one was just a tiny little pin. This one was like a NASA pin. This one too. This one was just a tiny little spool. And this one was quite a nasty serrated pins. So thank you for watching, guys, and please stay legal.